Hi everybody, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. How are you today? Well, I've got some wonderful cards to share with you, and everything is from the new catalog that is going to be coming out June 1st, but you'll also get to see some beautiful cards that are made with one of the bundles that has opened up to everyone, available for pre-order, well, not pre-order, but you can order it today, May 1st, and it's beautiful. So I just quickly wanted to share with you the new in colors. I've got these here. They've redone some, but they have redone the ink pads, so they're thinner, sleeker. You just push it forward. I'm sorry, no more pushing forward. You just lift and slide. Now mine are kind of hard to slide, but I'm told a little W40 or rubbing a little wax candle on it. If you're having that problem, or if you get these bundles in due, try that. So one of the new colors is Lovely Lipstick, Call Me Clover, Blueberry Bushel. I love blue, and I love blue and green, super preppy. Pineapple Punch, and Grapefruit Grove. Try saying that fast 100 times. So those are all the new in colors, and you'll be seeing lots of projects with those. But let's get down to the fun stuff, shall we? I've got cards to share with you that we made at a recent team get-together for the team I am a part of. And I'd love for you guys to be a part of our big Stampaholic family. They're awesome. So these are note cards that are kind of an amber effect, and they come in a set, and you get matching envelopes. And then this was a card that is using these, this was in Celebration, the Celebrate. It was a die that was in Celebration that is carrying over to the new catalog. So yay, because this is super cute and I love it. But on here are the cutest little sparkly gems. Those are new, and I cannot wait to get mine. So that's one of the cards, and that's super easy because that is just a pre-made card. Here's a beautiful card. This is using the embossing folder. Now there are 3 bundles that you can choose from. I, of course, went for the one that is Gotta Have It All, but it is all featuring this new stamp set, and of course I don't have it right in front of me at the moment. Oh my goodness, hold on. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. There we go. Okay. Oh, my desk is such a mess, you guys. It's terrible. All right, maybe I don't have it. I'm sorry, I don't. But I'll put it on the screen. But I got the Gotta Have It All bundle, and this is the beautiful embossing folder. And there's a little bit of Wink of Stella, and it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. You guys are going to love everything in this new catalog. Of course, one of my favorites is this adorable rhino, and this says Wild About You. And then we did the marbling technique, which I haven't done in a while, but if you heard some marbles rolling around, that is what it was from. So I have mine still in my box, but he is just the cutest little rhino. And then we have these beautiful gemstones that are new too. So I think you guys are going to really like those. Here is another beautiful card. It's a beautiful day, and the foil doilies are exquisite. The ribbon in the back here is a velveteen, a crushed velveteen, but this paper has an opalescent, maybe is the word. It's not shimmer, but it's shiny. I can't quite put my finger on it, but I hope that shows up, and it is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And there's a strip on the inside of this. So really, really pretty card, and super simple and quick to make. Didn't take much time at all. Here's another beautiful card. I love the shimmer ribbon. Again, here is that stunning cardstock that has the pearl essence to it. I guess that's the word I'm going to use. That is just spectacular. And this says, I'm lucky to have a friend like you. And I think that one's blank inside. Very pretty. Very pretty. Here again is that gorgeous paper. This one is all done in Calypso Coral and black and very vanilla. Beautiful. But this paper is stunning. Now, you can only get the Designer Series paper. They're 12 by 12 sheets in the All You Can Have It bundle. So if you're as crazy about this as I am, and the way it seems to be selling, you might want to consider that. They also are giving away lots of free goodies with each bundle. So have a look. I'll have links to my blog, which will take you to my website, and you can check it all out there. Look how cute this is. Who doesn't love messy polka dots? And this one, of course, says it's a beautiful day. And here are these gorgeous shimmery gems that I just can't get enough of. I am just, oh my gosh. I keep running to the door wanting to see the UPS guy, who, of course, I know very well. But he's not here yet. Here's another beautiful card using the same stamp set and some of our baker's twine. And here again, the sentiment. I mean, just gorgeous, gorgeous colors, gorgeous. This set is spectacular. My friend Cindy made this one, and this is a thank you card. This again is using the embossing folder from the set, the suite, and then we just used a dauber and just sponged and added some little pearls to the card. Here's a really cool one. So this, and I probably will do a video on this, but this again features the beautiful embossing folder. It opens this way and you have the gorgeous opalescent paper, Designer Series paper, and then it opens again. Isn't that fun? Do-do-do! I like that. And it fits in a standard 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch envelope. Love it. So that's a really fun card. I'll probably do a video on that. And then this one is also from the same set. Just gorgeous. I love the layers and the dimension. Yeah, that's pretty. And then last but not least is my card that I made. And this is using the Varied Vases stamp set. And Mary Fish reached her $1 million sales goal. And so she designed this really pretty set. And so I went very simply with it. I used the brick background embossing folder that is going to be retiring. I'm so sad because that's a go-to for me. I hope you can see it on here. That is retiring and it's on back order right now. So if you're like me and you like kind of that, you know, natural kind of a look, you might want to keep your eye on that to get it if it comes back in. I don't even know if it will, but that's the card that I made for our swap. So those are the cards I wanted to share with you today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this short and quick video. I'll be back with a video and a cute card project for you, and then to share some of the swap cards I'm making. So as always, great big hugs from me to you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have all the links to anything you may have questions about down below, but I always look forward to your questions and comments and always get back to each and every one of you. So have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.